Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylee and I am obsessed with literally all things Disney, and recently I just got into mystery pin packs. I'm obsessed. So I am super excited for today's video because I noticed last week actually that Shop Disney UK actually had a bunch of their pins on sale, including their mystery pins, and one of their mystery pin packs in particular was already like a really good deal in comparison to what it sells for in the States, which is the Wishables pin pack. And I don't know why, but these pin packs in the UK sell for £13, which is roughly like $18, I believe. In the States at Disney World and Disneyland, these types of pin packs, because they have 5 pins in them, retail for $27.99. So, or roughly like £20, I think is what that would convert to ish. So anyways, it's a huge savings in and of itself, but then they went on 50% off. And so they were on sale actually for £6.50. I'm sorry. So I actually ended up buying 8 total. 2 of them are for my brother and sister-in-law, and then 2 of them are for my parents, but they told me that I can go ahead and open up their packs on here. So I will be opening all of these bad boys right now. Sorry for how loud that was. But yeah, so I have 6 mystery pin packs. These are all the Wishables. There are 16 pins in this set, so I am hoping to collect all of them. And pretty much each of the pins, except for the teacup and Peter Pan, come in a set of 2. So hopefully if I can't get all of them, which I should be able to, I have 6 packs. It's a lot of pins. But if not, then hopefully I can at least get like a majority of the sets. Yeah, I'm really excited, and I guess I'll just go ahead and get started. You know, I don't have any scissors. I'm gonna run and grab some scissors and I will be right back. Oh my gosh. So I just went rock climbing yesterday and all of my muscles burn, and I just ran up and down the steps and I'm a little out of breath. But we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the first pack. So these pins are not in blind bags on the inside, so I'm just gonna keep it out of my eyesight and pull them out one by one. Have this one face you. Yes, okay, this is the one I'm most excited for. So I really wanted Peter Pan because I am a huge Tinkerbell fan, and I pointed back here because this whole little section here is full of Tinkerbell pins. I'm obsessed with Tinkerbell, love Peter Pan the movie, so I am really pleased that my first pin is Peter Pan himself. So I'm really kind of bummed that they didn't include Tinkerbell in this series of wishable pins, but it's okay. What can you do? So there's my little Peter Pan. And next pin. Oh, cute. So this is Mike Wazowski from, of course, Monsters, Inc. And he is just absolutely adorable. So I will stick him right next to PETA. There, they can hold hands. So cute. Okay, next one. Another one. Yay! Okay, so she is looking adorable with her little purple bow. This is This is Astronaut Minnie Mouse from, I almost said Spaceship Earth, not Spaceship Earth, Space Mountain. Geez, one of the mountains. Yeah, so this is the Astronaut Minnie Mouse from Space Mountain. Very, very cute. So those are my 3 pins so far. All right, another one. Yay! Oh, that was perfect. So this is the Mickey Mouse that goes along with Minnie that I just opened up. He's so cute in his little red astronaut suit. So again, he's for Space Mountain. Oh, throwing things around here. So I'll stick him right below Minnie Mouse. there, maybe. I might have to readjust this as I open up the pins. All right, last pin for this pouch is, oh, cute. He's one of the bears. I'm not even gonna guess which one. I think one of them is Henry and the other one, I don't know, I don't know the bears from Country Bear Jamboree all that well. My dad really likes them though, so maybe he would know. But anyways, he's cute. He's got his little guitar or banjo, I'm not sure which one. So I'm gonna stick him below Peta, right there. Okay, next pouch. Cogsworth, cute. He looks very displeased, but just as cute as ever. All right, so let's put him, geez, I don't even know where to put them. I'll put him right here next to Mickey. Okay, sweet. Now we just need Lumiere. Okay, next pin. Dante, right? Yeah, because Miguel is the boy. Oh, look at little Dante. I love his little flippy ear. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he even has little wispies. So cute. Is there? Yes, there is a Miguel in the series. So hopefully I can get him next or later on. All right, I'm gonna stick him in the corner here. There. Perfect. And not a duplicate. Yay! Wow. Oh, and this is a cute Goofy. So honestly, I hate the way they remade Goofy for the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. He just looks so straggly, like he needs help. But this is so cute. He looks so happy and not at all straggly. So there is Goofy. How many more do we have left? Two more. All right, and dang it. Okay, that's fine. This is our first duplicate. We got a Mike Wazowski, a little cutie pie. So I'm gonna stick him off in the corner, not putting him on the cork board because I would quickly run out of room. All right, and the last pin in this pouch, another Peter. That is okay. Honestly, up to 10 duplicates is perfectly fine because 2 of these pouches are my parents', so 10 pins are gonna go to them anyways. So, and they have no preference for which pins they get. So we shall see. Hopefully there's not too many duplicates, but of course there will be because I have, was that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pins? 30 pins. Wow! And yes! Okay, so I got a Boo, which means I have 2 full sets now. So I've got Mickey and Minnie, as well as Mike Wazowski and Boo. You know, as I was placing Boo there, I didn't even notice, but Mickey is kind of scraped up. Can you see that? There's like scrapes on his ear. He looks a little damaged. That's okay. Hopefully we get another duplicate of him, but oh well. If the pins come in like these big packs with 5 pins per pack, if they aren't individually like blind bagged inside of their pouch, then they definitely do get a little bit more disheveled in their journey. What can you do? All right, so next pin. Oh, wow. That's really funny. Perfect. Well, we got another Mickey Mouse, and he is a little scraped up on his ear as well, but it's not nearly as bad. So I'm gonna leave him out for now, but that was really funny because I was just talking about I hope I get another Mickey. Thank you, universe. Okay, next pin. Aw, man. All right, I got another bear. This is the same one. I still need one other bear, the bear with the top hat. I don't know his name. It's okay. But yeah, so I'll stick him in the corner. And last pin for this pouch is Minnie Mouse. All right. Oh wait, no, there's one more. Wow. Yay! So as I was just saying, I needed the bear with the top hat, and there he is. He's so cute. Look at his little bow tie. I don't know who he is, but he's adorable. So I'm gonna stick him right beside his brother bear here. There we go. Perfect. So these are all of our pins so far, minus the duplicates. Onto the fourth pouch. I have 2 more after this. Jessie. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Wow. I love it. She's got the little bunny on top of the bullseye and the Andy written on her foot. So cute. This one, Peter and Boo, I think are my favorites so far. They're just so cute. Stick her right there. Yep. All right, on to the second pin in this pouch. Yes. Lumiere, light up my heart. It's a little cutie pie. Oh, I just love him so much. He's so cute. There's my angry little Cogsworth and my happy little Lumiere. His little smile is so cute. I love him so much. All right, so I'm gonna just stick him right below there. Okay. Perfect. Ah, I love it. And pin number 3. Yes. Ah, I love completing these little sets. It's so fulfilling. So now I have the Goofy that goes along with the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Such a mouthful to say that ride. But there is our Goofy and our little bird. I don't know what his name. I know he has a name. She has a name. I have no idea what it is. But she's so cute. So there's them. Perfect. And Miguel. See, I'm telling you, completing these little sets is so exciting. But yeah, so I got my little Miguel with his little guitar. So cute. Love it. He's gonna go right beside Dante. Right in there. Perfect. And one last pin in here is the teacup. Another one I didn't have. So I'm gonna put the teacup right in the middle here. It's a nice big space just for him. Perfect. And I love his little winky face. He's just so cute. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. I'm missing only one? Which one am I missing? All right, so I've got Mickey and Minnie. Oh, I need Woody. So I have 2 whole packs left and I only need 1. I'm only missing Woody. So hopefully there is at least 1 Woody in these packs. Fingers crossed. Okay. And first pin is another Mickey Mouse. Oh wow, this one's like barely scraped. He is looking pretty good. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera, but there is a teeny tiny little like mark right on that ear. But other than that, he looks pretty great. That's the nicest one so far. So we have 3 Mickeys now. All right, next pin. Another Lumiere. All right, that's okay. He's a cutie pie. I'm sure my parents will love to have him. And another Boo as well. So cute. Another bear. Very cute. Oh, I just need Woody. All right, last pin in this pack is another Minnie Mouse. All right, so we've got 3 Mickeys and 3 Minnies at this point. Let's see what's in the last pack. All right, correction, we have 4 Minnies now. And another Peter. Peter. Alrighty, another bear. Wow. Come on. Ah, Goofy. You're cute, but I don't need you. I think there's only one pin left. Nope. Okay, that's fine. So last pin was a little Mike Wazowski. We were so close. We got everything except for Woody, so that is okay. Hopefully my brother and sister-in-law got one in one of their packs and I can trade with them later. But honestly, as cute as these are, I mostly wanted to get them just to have a few traders for whenever I go into the parks next, because it's always fun just to trade. And these ones were so cost effective. I mean, they came out to be less than $2 per pin. It was like $1.75 per pin. So I really don't feel bad pin trading in the parks, and then if I get duped and end up trading for not a real Disney pin, it's really not the end of the world, and it relieves some of the stress because I really love pin trading in the parks, but it can be kind of stressful when you pay $10 for a pin and then trade it for a fake. So now I don't feel like it'll be as stressful. Can enjoy it a little bit more. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one oh wait, let me pick a favorite first. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it to the top 3. Definitely Jessie, Boo, and Peter. Those are by far my favorite. They're just so cute. I love them. And then an honorable mention for Lumiere because he's just adorable. But yeah, so let me know what your favorite pins were. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Bye!